This is our hall. Suitably messy. Emmys. And there's Len. Say hello, Len.
Hello.
Very enthusiastic altogether. The Simpsons is on, of course. This is Kirsten. And out there is our little patio area. Perfect for the smokers among you. And then we go back out. Oh, the toilet. Lovely. And then up them stairs. And seemingly we will find one Mr. Jamie McAvinnie. Look at him there now. Say hello, Jamie. Very enthusiastic. All our housemates are very enthusiastic. Where all the magic happens. I'll do the thing. Oh, beautiful. And that's our house. It's a lovely house. I hope you enjoyed it.